That's why many of us we just sit down and let the devil use us if you have not the word, church. You could jump, you could scream, you could holler. You could get your eyes open if you're blind. You could be crippled and you walk. You could have cancer. You could be sick. You could have riches. If you don't have the word, vain, because the Bible said, I saw them standing before God, both great and small, them that have riches and them that is